This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. I'm 24K on Twitter, like I said, and also 24K on Instagram. So this is the Travis Touch Go. It does 100 plus languages. It has an embedded eSIM, so it's a cloud SIM. It works online and offline, has noise cancellation technology, it's enhanced with AI, and it has the embedded SIM. And then a couple more details about it. You can pause the video and take a look at your leisure. Alright, now we'll get to the actual device itself. So here it is. It's quite small. You just pick what you want to what you want, and then you hit translate and it'll go. The connection at the top. We can try that one more time. Hello, how are you? Settings. Also be a hotspot. The box. Along with it. So you have a SIM eject tool, because it does come with a SIM slot, which you can see here on the side, right here. You can add one. Right here. We've got the charging cable right here. It's a USB type A to micro USB, and that fits right here on the bottom, so you charge it right there. So you can press it right there, and then this is the power button right here, so you can start it, whatever you need to do. And that's the device itself. It's pretty light in the hand. The battery lasts almost all day if you need. And this is by Travis, and this is the Touch Go. It does 100 plus languages, has an embedded eSIM, and it has these features right here. And this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.